In today's video, we're going to be looking at Atlas's 100th anniversary NJ Transit N-scale modern commuter train set, specifically the ALP 45DP locomotive and multi-level passenger cars. I'm going to show you the set close up, and then I'm going to get it on the layout so we can watch it up close and personal. And without further ado, we'll get right into it. Set comes in a nice box, specifically the 100th anniversary wrapped units, and it includes the cab car and trailer car wrapped as well. Starting with our locomotive, ALP 45DP, which was manufactured by Bombardier until 2021, and now Alstom is completing the NJ Transit order. Highly detailed. It features the push-pull lighting, so taillights in reverse, headlights in forward. And the same goes for the cab car, which we will see shortly. I was trying to figure out how to pop the pantograph up because that is prototypical and it works. So what you're going to want to do is pop it up like that. Boom. So if you run catenary lines on your layout, you will be able to have a prototypical look here. It just clips back in. So far, I definitely like the feel and the detail on this unit. We'll see how it runs on the layout shortly. Next up is the trailer car, which these are not wrapped like this in real life, but I figured for the N-scale set, it would be cool to have the matching passenger cars. And I was debating on whether I wanted the Atlas wrapped locomotive as well. As it turns out, when I went to Trainland in person, this was the last set they had, so I didn't have an option, but I'm happy I got it. And here's the cab car. The most important part. I'll get it even closer on the layout so we can see some good angles. Yeah, for the price, it was around $250. I know it varies depending on where you get it. I thought that was kind of steep for one locomotive and two cars, considering the fact that you can get Kato sets for way cheaper, but this is a limited run set, and I believe it's already unavailable. It's been out for a month, so I'm happy I got it while it was available. A couple quick notes before we go to the layout. I did want to mention actually that unlike my Kato locomotives in push-pull operation, the rear headlight here comes on when you're going in this direction, so that's nice. So my Kato locomotives do not have rear headlights. They only have headlights and taillights on the cab side. The other thing is these coaches come lit, so we will see that immediately on the layout, and that was a pleasant surprise to have the lit up passenger coaches and basically every light you could possibly want lighting up. And this is a DC set. I don't have DCC, so I appreciate any light I can get on DC sets. But let's get it on the layout and we'll see how it runs. Straight away, there are some things that I really like about this set. The first being how well the locomotive is detailed, like I said earlier, but also how the coaches have their own respective look to them, and I think that really ties in well with the 100th anniversary. The second would be the fact that this locomotive is quite smooth at very low speeds. That is a quality that I look for, as do many other N-scale enthusiasts. I also think that the light-up coaches from the factory are a really nice addition as well. However, it's important to note that they don't flicker like this in person. It's just the camera picking up the LEDs. However, as far as things that I don't like about this set, there are only two things. One is that I wish the directional lighting was brighter, in the sense that you could kind of see that they're on, but not as bright as you'd like them to be with the lights on. I'm going to compare to Kato again, in the sense that you can see the red marker lights pretty clearly on those, whereas this set has to be going at a higher speed to make the lights brighter, or that you have to turn the lights off in general, which I'll do here in a minute. The other thing that I don't like would be that it seems as if top speed is achieved basically at half throttle. I'm not someone who runs my trains at high speeds or likes to see them fly around the tracks, but I would like an even power band when it comes to controlling the locomotive. But if those are the only two things that I have to complain about, then I would say that this is a pretty good buy. And all in all, I really do like this set, and I think it's a great addition to the collection. Now I'll operate the set with the locomotive pushing, so we can see how the reverse directional lighting looks. And I'll get the lights turned off so we can see what it looks like in the dark. And that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed checking out Atlas's 100th anniversary New Jersey Transit N-scale modern commuter train set with me. That's a mouthful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up or perhaps drop a comment below. Any feedback is appreciated. Or perhaps consider subscribing if you like this type of video. I hope to do more of these as time goes on. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.